Hello guys, welcome to channel Gadget Pro. Alright, lovers. Brace yourself. Xiaomi just dropped a monster, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and it's got everything to shake up the smartphone world. Instant camera, blazing fast performance, and a battery that just want to quit bit. It is really worth your money. So let's go. First up, this thing is the beauty the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Sport a ceramic back, aeroship grade aluminum frame, and Gorilla Glass structure to on the front. Plus, it's got IP6 water resistance, so yeah, it can handle flash or two, and that 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display, absolute eye candy. To resolution 120 has refresh rate and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. This screen is an HDR base. Netflix gaming or just scrolling everything looks better smooth. Now here's where things get serious. The 200 MP periscope lens, yes, you heard that right, is a game changer from 200 MP photography. Paired with 50 MP main sensor, ultra wide and telescope lens, these phones destroy low light photography. Night mode, sharp, detailed and zero noise. Oh, and Xiaomi now AI photography engine. It's make sure your shoots always professionally edited without lifting a finger. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor blazing through anything, whether it is gaming, multitasking or heavy app processing. With up to 16 GB RAM and 1TB storage, you want to never run out of space. Battery life best mode, a massive 5500 mAh battery keeps it running all day. And with 420 Hz fast charging, you go from 0 to 100% in just 90 minutes. Oh, and it's got 80-watt wireless charger to flexing at this point. Xiaomi's MIUI is the fastest, smoother, and packed with AI features. Voice recognition, smarter notification, and real-time translate all built in. Plus, it's got Wi-Fi support, dual speakers done by Harman Kardon, and on-end fingerprint sensor AI is fully feature loaded. So should you buy it if you want to a top-tier camera or tuning display? And next level charging figure, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a no-brainer. But if you are deep into the Apple or Samsung ecosystem, switch might be too. What do you think? Flagship or just hype? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, and if you want more gadget reviews and updates, to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more on these gadget videos.